Going off to meet someone who wanted to go walking this morning, a co-worker from work. So we're gonna go do that. Yeah, so we found a turtle.
Good morning. How are you?
Good morning.
Good, good.
Terrifying territories I can't take it.
So the workout went pretty well. We just walked around the park, and that was it. I mean, I'm gonna keep trying to do it. I guess I had fun. Yeah, I had fun. So I was not going to do this, but they were sold out of the big box. And I don't know if this is going to make YouTube or not. I'm just doing this for fun. But I figured if I'm going to open a box, I might as well record it. Again, we're looking for some of the cool stuff that they hide in there. Don't know if we'll get it, but does not hurt to try at all. So we're going to go for it. As always, Gypsy Queen is my favorite series right now. And Max packs. Let's see. Whit Merrifield, Trevor Richards, Justice Sheffield, Zach Gozart, and Josh Reddick. Ooh, Houston Astros in that one. Those are parallel cards. Those are always nice. All right. Daniel dos Los Santos, Rafael Devers. Ooh, Aaron Judge. He'd be a good one to get to sign this. Wait a second. Ooh. Jeff McNeil. Alright. And again, we're just going through real fast. We're kind of looking for the autos. Apparently they hide some really cool stuff in these Gypsy Queen sets. Dansby Swanson, Jose Barreros, Sean Newcomb. Ooh, I like this card. Wheel of Fortune. Nolan Arenado. I don't know if that's the one we got last time, but that's cool. I'll have to check. Xander Bogaerts. Joey Gallo. Astros. More Astros right there. I think all the signatures are taken from the blaster boxes already. I don't know. We'll take a look. We'll buy a hobby box too. I just, you know. It's like going for the golden ticket and Willy Wonka, you know. E. Diaz, the fortune teller. We are down to our last 2 packs. Darvish. Green Parallel. I wish I'd gotten this one to send to him to sign. Maybe I'll write him another letter. We'll see. If the one that I sent to him comes back signed, I might send him this one. It depends. Yeah, I'll definitely send him that one. So, it's not a total loss. We got a Yu Darvish card. Alex Gorb. Sandy Koufax. He's a legend. We'll put that one aside with the Yu Darvish. Ooh, Mike Minor. I'm definitely going to have to write these players and get them to sign these cards. Alright, well, to recap, the coolest besides the Fortune Teller card and the Tarot card, these are definitely my two favorites that I pulled out of there. So, oh, it's 48 out of 250. Definitely going to try and get that one signed by you then. We'll see how it comes back signed. Or how the other one that I sent out to him comes back. Alright, and then we got a bonus pack right here. Big League. The only reason I bought this was for the Take the Field contest for the 2020 Home Run Derby. And there is a chance to go to the World Series in these packs too. So we'll just kind of go through these kind of fast too. Hey, you have to have a kid for that? That's stupid. There's also a shot at a SIG in these boxes, too. Nope. Nothing too fancy in here. But, that's what you get for going through here. These might be some cool ones to get signed. I like the caricature ones. Alright, well, that's gonna be it. So it's raining outside and the lightning is beautiful. I'm going to try to get some footage. So we're gonna swap out of the metal frame case and into the waterproof case. Turn that off. I don't normally like this casing because the audio is terrible in it, so I'm probably going to have to crank this up a little bit. We're going to go outside and see if we can get some footage of the